Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the pressure regulator valve on your gas range, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Shut off the gas supply as well. Pull the range away from the wall so you can access the rear of the appliance. Unthread the gas supply line from the regulator valve. Use a 9/16" wrench or an adjustable wrench to unthread the nuts to release the gas supply tubes from the valve. Use a Phillips head screwdriver or a No. 2 square drive bit to unthread the mounting screws securing the valve to the rear panel. Slide the valve to the left to detach. Note the orientation of the wires, then disconnect them. Prepare the new pressure regulator valve for installation by transferring the fitting from the old valve to the new one. Apply new thread sealant to the threads of the fitting. Be aware, if your range uses liquid propane, you will need to reverse the regulator cap. Unthread the cap, turn it over, and thread the opposite end into the regulator. If using liquid propane, you will also need to transfer the orifice from the old valve to the new one. Now connect the wire connectors. Position the valve on the rear panel so the orifice is inserted into the bake burner tube. Then secure the valve with the mounting screws. Insert the gas supply tubes into the valve, then thread the nuts. Be careful not to damage the tubes by over-tightening the nuts. Confirm that the new regulator valve is in the on position. Attach the gas supply line to the valve. Turn the gas supply back on and test the connections by applying a non-corrosive leak detection solution. The solution will bubble if there is a leak. Once you've confirmed the connections are secure and leak-free, plug the power cord back in or restore the power supply, and the gas range should be ready for use.